What's up guys, and welcome to Web Education's daily tech tips. And there are many places you can mount a GoPro for a mountain biker or even motocross or whatever it is you want to do with bikes with a GoPro. Now on the top of the helmet is a popular spot for the mounting of these action cameras, but it's important to get it right, and for the sake of your comfort and the safety of the GoPro, and of course ultimately for awesome footage, here's how to properly mount your GoPro Hero 9 on your helmet. So the best place to mount your GoPro onto the helmet is directly in the middle of the helmet, like sideways in the middle, front to back in the middle, like right on top of the helmet. And that's mainly because the GoPro adds significant weight to the helmet, so putting it on the side will give it a little bit of wibble and you're gonna have it rocking sideways or front and back. You don't want that when you're trying to record GoPro footage. So as soon as you identify the middle of the helmet, look through your GoPro Hero 9 accessory pack and find this helmet sticky mount. And you can tell it's a helmet sticky mount because it has a little bit of curve on it, which goes directly onto the curve of the helmet. So before you stick it on, make sure you clean your helmet properly and dry it properly, especially at the place where you're going to mount that GoPro sticky mount. So when it's clean and dry, remove the cover from the sticky mount and then push it onto the helmet and stick it there with some significant force, and then give it about 5 to 10 minutes before you can mount your GoPro onto the sticky mount. Now you want to adjust the angle of inclination just to make sure you capture everything you need. You don't want it facing too far down, you don't want it too far up. Remember that's going to record when you're riding, so make sure you get the right angle for that GoPro. And also a pro tip, it helps to put your GoPro in the super wide capturing angle just to make sure everything you need is inside the frame. Anyway, that's how to properly mount your GoPro Hero 9 on the top of your helmet. Thanks for watching. You can leave your comments and questions down below. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more tips. Until the next one, my name is Chris, and I'll talk to you guys soon.